Yes, Megha.
Okay, thanks Arzu for giving us those details. Stay on with me. There's more information pouring in that the Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister Arun Sao has praised Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for managing the Mahakumbh preparations. He said that despite the crores of visitors, the situation is returning to normal. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also spoken with the Akhada chiefs to ensure proper arrangements. Arzu on the telecast with me. Arzu, the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister praising the efforts, lauding the efforts of the Yogi Adityanath government for ensuring proper management of the crores of people that have gathered at Prayagraj to be part of the Mahakumbh celebrations.
Well, yes, Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister Arun Sao has praised the efforts of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and also Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in handling the massive crowd that have reached to the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Sao also noted that despite 8 to 10 lakh people, 10 lakh crore visitors reaching the Prayagraj on the occasion of the Mauni Amavasya, the situation is returning to the normal, and that's the efforts of the administration, government and the official that they managed to control the situation, and now everything is coming to normal just because of the efficient management. In fact, Sao, who is also the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party in Chhattisgarh, highlighted that the UP CM Yogi Adityanath has been in touch with the Akhada chief and sons to ensure that all the arrangements are in place, and this proactive approach has helped mitigate the impact of the stampede and prevented further chaos. Yes, because we also got to know from our sources that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also had a conversation with the Akhadas, with the Akhada's chief also, so that the situation can also be monitored. And after that, the Akhadas decided that after the public will be taking a holy bath in the Triveni Sangam, in the Sangam knows, after that, after 11 a.m., the Akhadas will be moving towards the Ghat to take a holy dip. Yes, Megha.
Okay, stay on with me, Arzu. Now we have the reaction coming in from the Chhattisgarh Deputy Chief Minister.
प्रयागराज में एक स्टैम्पेड वाली घटना है, बात आ रही है कि कुछ लोगों के मारे जाने की खबर आ रही है।
देखिए, जिस प्रकार से अब तक लगभग 15 करोड़ लोगों ने गंगा में संगम में जाकर स्नान किया है, और आज मौनी अमावस्या के पवित्र अवसर पर 8 से 10 करोड़ लोग प्रयागराज में होने की जानकारी आ रही है। और ऐसे समय में जिस प्रकार से प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, गृह मंत्री आदरणीय अमित शाह जी और उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी ने जिस प्रकार से वहां की व्यवस्थाओं को संभाला है और जिस प्रकार से सरकार वहां पर व्यवस्थाओं में जुटी हुई है, स्थिति सामान्य हो रही है और लोग बड़े श्रद्धा और आस्था से पवित्र गंगा में स्नान करेंगे। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने भी अखाड़ा के प्रमुखों से, संत महात्माओं से बातचीत करके सारी व्यवस्था को सुनिश्चित किया है, तो निश्चित रूप से सारी व्यवस्था दुरुस्त हो जाएगी।
There are about 4.24 crore devotees that have taken a dip